各位朋友，大家好，我现在在深圳华强北遇到一位从印度过来在迪拜做生意的 Ajay， 他来这里就是找供应商的，尤其是找这个手机壳、走手机的充电器，还有充电线。他最喜欢的就是我们中国的华为的产品，像华为的、还有 Honor 的，他同样也要找一些华为手机的一些部件哦，像什么电池手机壳屏幕内存的这些手机的配件我不懂所以有这一方面的工厂的朋友可以联系我，联系 Ajay。来 Ajay， It's your time.
My name is Ajay. I'm from India, Punjab, and I'm living in Dubai. I need like screen protector, like a back cover, case cover, and adapter and cables, like the charging. I need full accessories. I need launch my personal brand from India. I need also ship to India, not here. And also in Dubai, and I am searching also mobiles, Honor, HUAWEI, Samsung for India, no for Dubai, not India. And I need much quantity, like 100-200 pieces, like this. Yeah, thank you.
如果我们开工厂的朋友
And contact with me.
就可以联系我，联系他都可以联系我，就可以联系到他的了。好，谢谢你们
Thank you.
再见。